I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If you're looking to set up alerts for your HSBC transactions, follow these simple steps to stay informed about your account activity. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Start by logging into your HSBC online banking account using your credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network for safety. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section, usually located in the top menu. This is where you can manage your alert preferences. Step 3. Select alerts and notifications. In account settings, look for an option labeled alerts or notifications. Click on it to access the alert setup options. Step 4. Choose your alert preferences. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the HSBC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha: if you miss checking the box for transaction alerts, you won't receive notifications for purchases or withdrawals. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferences, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a save or update button at the bottom of the page to ensure your settings are applied. Now you're all set to receive alerts for your HSBC transactions. Keeping track of your finances has never been easier. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.